In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the web clipper in Notion. If you've ever found a great article, recipe, or resource, and wished you could save it straight into Notion without copying and pasting, this is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly how to install the clipper, capture a page, and place it in the right spot in your workspace for easy organization. First, download and install the extension. Head to the Chrome Web Store if you use Chrome or any Chromium-based browser like Microsoft Edge. If you are on Firefox, open the Firefox ad on site, and if you prefer Safari on a Mac, grab it from the Mac App Store. Search for Notion Web Clipper. Check that it's the official one from Notion, and install it. Once it's added, your browser will place the Notion icon to the right of the address bar. If it's not immediately visible, it may be tucked into your extensions menu pin so it's easy to reach. Next, with any page you want to save open, click the Notion icon near your browser's search bar. This opens a small window where you'll set up exactly how the page should be saved to Notion. Think of this window as your quick control panel for capturing the web. Start with the title. By default, the clipper pulls in the web page's title, but you can change it in the text box. Consider using a short, clear name you'll recognize later, like adding a tag or context at the front so it's easier to search. Then select the workspace. Use the drop-down to choose the correct workspace, especially if you have more than one connected. Make sure you are saving to the place where your notes and databases actually live so you can find your clip later without hunting. Next, choose Add to. This is where you decide whether the link goes into a specific database highly recommended for keeping everything organized or directly onto a page. Saving to a database helps you sort by properties like status, tags, or categories. If you already have a reading list or research hub set up in Notion, select it here. When everything looks good, click Save Page or simply press Enter. You'll see a confirmation and you can click Open in Notion to jump straight to the saved item. That's a great moment to double-check it landed in the right spot, and, if needed, add any notes or tags inside Notion. That's all you need to consistently capture the web into a clean, organized system in Notion. Thanks for watching.